Do your legs feel weaker, shakier, or more tired than they used to? Is climbing stairs a struggle, or does standing for long periods feel exhausting? Here's the surprising truth. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging. In fact, they can be an early warning sign that your body is losing strength, circulation, or even critical nutrients. If ignored, this can lead to dangerous falls, loss of independence, and even serious health complications. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Once you understand the hidden causes behind leg weakness, you can take practical steps to restore your strength and move with confidence again. Let's uncover the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker, and most importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. This information is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Always consult your doctor for personalized care. Reason number 5. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, a condition known as sarcopenia. This decline begins as early as your 30s, but after 60, the process speeds up dramatically. Without proper action, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This muscle loss directly impacts your legs, making once simple tasks, like standing from a chair, walking long distances, or climbing stairs, much harder. Signs of sarcopenia include thinner thighs and calves, heavy-feeling legs, and fatigue after just a short walk. The solution? Strength training and nutrition. Simple daily exercises such as chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band workouts can rebuild muscle. Protein is equally important. Fuel your body with lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, beans, and nuts. And don't underestimate the power of walking. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily walking can keep your leg muscles active and strong. Reason number 4. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease, PAD. Do your legs ever feel cold, numb, or cramp up when you walk? These could be signs of poor circulation, often linked to plaque buildup in the arteries, a condition called peripheral artery disease. When blood flow to your legs is reduced, your muscles don't get enough oxygen, making them feel weak, tired, and prone to painful cramps. In severe cases, PAD can slow wound healing and increase the risk of infections. Common warning signs include heaviness or tingling in the legs after standing, or calf pain that eases when you sit down. To boost circulation, stay active with daily walking. Even light movement around the house helps. Drink plenty of water, cut back on excess salt, and try natural remedies like warm foot soaks, gentle massages, and elevating your legs. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Untreated PAD raises the risk of heart disease and stroke, so early action is crucial. Reason number 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Do your feet feel tingly, numb, or like they're burning? Does it sometimes feel like you're walking on a sponge? These are signs of peripheral neuropathy, nerve damage that affects nearly 1 in 3 older adults, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. High blood sugar gradually damages nerves, while a lack of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, can also weaken your legs. Left untreated, neuropathy worsens over time, leading to poor balance, unsteady walking, and falls. To protect your nerves, monitor blood sugar carefully. Eat B12-rich foods such as eggs, dairy, poultry, and leafy greens. Limit alcohol, which can worsen nerve damage. Gentle foot and leg massages can also improve circulation to nerves and ease discomfort. If numbness or burning persists, don't ignore it. Talk to your doctor for proper testing and treatment. Reason 2. Spinal problems, sciatica and herniated discs. You may not realize it, but your lower back plays a huge role in leg strength. Conditions like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or years of poor posture can compress spinal nerves, leading to weakness, pain, and sudden collapses in the legs. Symptoms of spine-related leg weakness include radiating pain from the lower back down the legs, numbness in the feet, or one leg feeling noticeably weaker. To help your spine, practice gentle stretches such as the knee to chest stretch or seated spinal twists. Avoid sitting for long periods, and when sitting is unavoidable, use lumbar support and get up to move every 30 minutes. Keeping your spine flexible and supported is key to maintaining strong, reliable legs. Reason 1. Electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden leg cramp in the middle of the night? Or do your legs sometimes feel shaky or weak without warning? A common cause is a shortage of electrolytes, especially magnesium and potassium. These minerals are vital for muscle function. Low potassium can trigger spasms, weakness, and even irregular heartbeats. Low magnesium can lead to twitching, fatigue, and restlessness. Causes include dehydration, certain medications, like diuretics, and poor diet. To fix this, eat potassium-rich foods such as bananas, spinach, oranges, and avocados. For magnesium, go for almonds, whole grains, beans, and even dark chocolate. Stay hydrated, since dehydration makes deficiencies worse. And for those night cramps, try a warm Epsom salt bath. The magnesium absorbs through your skin, relaxing your muscles before bed. Final thoughts. Take action now. Weak legs are more than an inconvenience. They're your body's way of asking for help. Whether the cause is muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or an electrolyte imbalance, the solutions are simple and effective. Exercise daily. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Eat more protein and nutrient-dense foods. Fuel your muscles and nerves. Stay hydrated and balance minerals. Prevent cramps and weakness. Protect your spine. Avoid long sitting and practice stretches. Walk every day. Improve circulation and strengthen your legs. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today, and you can keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free for years to come. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who wants healthier, stronger legs. And let us know in the comments which of these reasons surprised you the most.